Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about a very underrated product from a very underrated brand, the Fosi GR70. Before we get started, as always, this review is 100% my own personal opinion. For the unboxing, I will just put the picture here because my table is kinda small, so yeah. Okay, let's just talk about the build quality of the GR70. The GR70 is made out of metal and it is actually heavy for its size. It feels like you're literally holding a brick or maybe a chunk of metal in your hands. And my hand is like average Asian size. So this thing is quite heavy. Anyway, on top we have the slots for the tubes and a big round volume knob that was actually used as a power switch too, which is nice. On the back, we get RCA out, RCA in, and DC 12-volt adapter port. On the front, we have EQ for bass and treble. And then this is impedance matching switch, low Z and high Z for low impedance and high impedance. And this is 3.5mm jack and this is 1/4 inch jack. Yes, this thing is single-ended, but the sound is just... Anyway, for the specs, the GR70 uses quad tubes, which are two 5654W tubes and two 6x4. I don't know how to pronounce the X-like symbol. /6x8 tubes, and user actually can change the tube to different models depending on their preferences for the sound for the tubes, you know, tube. Max output power is rated at 300 mW at 32 ohm, though maybe for today's standard, because everything has to be bigger number means better quality or something. Nah. The number does indeed seems quite small, but it actually has lots of power and volume and it can drive HD 650 without any issues, so don't underestimate this thing. As for the sound, the setup I use obviously the thing that I review, the GR70. And I actually try using this to a Realtek motherboard codec and VOQ X13. And the cans, I use HD 650, M20X, KZ, EDX Pro 2, I will explain later why I use that, and Fosi Audio IM4, and lots of sub 300 USD IM. And the music is from Apple Music and YouTube Music, covering J-pop, rock, EDM, metal, jazz, and rap. Also, I forgot to mention, this is like ventilation hole, so don't block it. Anyway, my impression with the GR70 with the bass and treble knob on Unity, aka this, everything sounds so organic and smooth. Don't get it twisted, it is smooth, not rolled off. So the treble extensions are still safe, but it is smooth and sounds way better compared to your typical solid state amp. Yes, and not only that, everything sounds so separated and holographic to the point I had to test this using my KZ EDX Pro 2, a thin, sorry to say, almost 2D sounding IM. Guess what? It made my KZ EDX Pro 2 holographic like... How? Tube Magic at 189? Anyway, let's start from the bass. The bass, meaty, weighty. It has a nice deep thump to the presentation, and the mid-range, also meaty, sounds full but never sounds dull. Normal volt. It's just so good, like vocals sound much more intimate in a very, very, very good way, and so does the instruments. I love listening to violin, and it makes violin sound so good, like you're... I don't know. I'm turning into Zeus because of this. I wish. Anyway, this thing is just... It blows my mind, like... 189, we get this quality, this build, this sound, and I'm not even finished about the sound section. Treble, extended, but it is smoother, not rolled off but smooth. Technicalities for an amp costing 189. This thing is just spectacular. Stage, huge. It expands my HD 650 stage from 3 blobs to an actual space. And it also makes it huge. So like, how? If you own any HD 600 series, you know how ironically small the stage is for an open back, and the GR70 managed to expand the stage to be huge with excellent layering, like 189, bro. Yeah. Imaging spectacular. As I said before, it could make my KZ EDX Pro 2 IM sound holographic, like what the actual voodoo magic here. Separation and positioning very good. Sound placement is grand and actually precise at the same time. I can easily identify where sound comes from with a very good definition too, and it has somewhat sharper positioning compared to the ZH3 and K7, even when I plug this only using my motherboard codec, aka Realtek chip. How? Motherboard codec plus GR70. I can easily identify positions of people in Valorant more easily compared to the K7 and ZH3. This is like my top FOSI recommendation for now. Like, this thing is... Get this! I'm not even done with the review yet, but get this! The Tiller Triple, very good, even though it smooths out the overall presentation of the sound. It doesn't ruin the micro details, so I totally approve this. So, what's the catch here? What's the cons? What is the bad thing with this? None! I can't fault or nitpick anything from the GR70, especially at the asking price of 189. To the point, even if you only have a motherboard codec or, you know, smartphone, just get the GR70 first and then save, then get an actual good deck afterwards, because this thing is just somehow makes more impact than the deck M combo. Yeah, get this. This is like another Steel Deal product by FOSI Audio, and this is my top recommendation from FOSI Audio. What else? Yeah, get this. So anyway, I'm also opening a music mastering mixing commission. I can't even speak properly because of this thing is just so good. Get this. Anyway, yeah, here. Talk to you later.